Hello, how are you? Myself Ankit, and I hope you guys all are doing well. Today, here I am about to represent my first prototype for the module complex system, where we have to build the environment and we have to select a character, whether it is a person or any other vehicles, or we can deliver the parcel from one point to the starting point as the initial point and to the final destination. And for me, the my initial destination will be waypoint 2, as you can see here, and my final destination to deal with the parcel will be waypoint 9. And I have chose 2 point for this, and this is the taxi I have chose. I have made almost 12 to 13 waypoints here, and at first I would like to show you the environment I have created here. Okay, let me go to the scene view, and this is the environment I have created. This is not fancy and it looks messy, but this is what I have created. I have added all the unnecessary roads and textures here, all the buildings, shops and petrol pumps, all the cars, vehicles, and all the trees. And I have also uplifted this in ground level and to make the hills. And this is the necessary. These all assets are combined to form a single city here. Okay, this is the view of my environment where I will be running the taxi from waypoint 2 to the waypoint 9. Okay, now let me go, let me zoom in a bit. I have just added a camera right behind the taxi here. Here are all the necessary files like vehicles, materials, sample scenes, polygons, all the standard assets, waypoint standard assets as well. And here are all the scripts. This is the A star. We are using the A star algorithm here to find the shortest distance from one point to another. And there is A star manager, connection line, graphs, heuristic. These all the files are previously available in our workshop as well, but we have to modify or tweak a bit of code so that the program runs as per the module or the guideline of the first prototype. And the important script here will be the path finding tester, because the two it will find the best path and the shortest route between the 2 points, meaning that the my taxi and that parcel will be delivered from waypoint 2 to 9 as the shortest route and shortest distance. What does that mean? I'll show you right now. And let me play the game. Just go to the game view, maximize it, uh, and just turn off the gizmos at first so it looks not it doesn't look weird at first. Okay, hold on a second. The taxi will eventually start to move on from the waypoint 2, and as you can see, it is moving towards the final destination, almost 3, and now it is moving towards the waypoint 5. My final destination is at the right from the waypoint 5, and it will take a right turn, and now it is moving towards the final destination. And notice after it reaches to the final destination, the console will be displayed as parcel delivered at the waypoint 9, and it will return to the original initial waypoint. Just about here, parcel dropped at waypoint 9, time taken to reach the final destination is blah blah blah, and now taxi is returning to the initial waypoint. Taxi is returning to home after the delivery. You can also see in the console. It will take left from here and all the way to the waypoint 2, as this was my first and initial waypoint where my taxi began to move. And notice as it moved to the waypoint or initial waypoint, it is the console as displayed as taxi has returned to the home or waypoint. Time taken for this round trip is almost 60.48 seconds, and this is all. And this is what I have created, and we have used the ASR algorithm for this prototype. And the environment, I've already shown you this environment. Is easy to make the environment. All the necessary assets are available, and the assets are free in the Unity asset store as well. I have combined all the necessary files inside this city empty object, and the vehicle to the Uber. And this is my first prototype, and this one's for today. We have also, I'll see you soon.